Welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today we will be doing 11.4 exercise, the second Roman, which we have done first Roman in the earlier class, and this we are doing it the second Roman. Okay, let's continue. Now, what is the question? The question is evaluate the following by using suitable identities. The two questions are given here. So we have to evaluate, we have to find out the answer for these questions. Okay, and we have to using suitable identities. So in the previous classes we would have learned about identities a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Now how are we going to write this? 304 whole square. How can we write 304 whole square? Can we write like 300 plus 4 whole square? Yes, so this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square? 300 whole square plus 2 into what is a? 300 into b is 4 plus b square is 4 square. Now 300 square is 90,000 plus 2 into 300, 600, 600 into 4, 2400 plus 4 square is 16. Now add it. 92,416 is the answer. Next, 509 whole square. 509 whole square. How can we write like this one? 500 plus 9 whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? A is equal to 500 comma b equal to 9. Substitute 500 whole square plus 2 into 500 into b is 9 plus b square is 9 square. Now write 500 square is 25,000. 2,50,000 it is, sorry, plus 5 2s are 10, 500 into 2, 1000, 1000 into 9, 9,000, 9,000 plus 9 square is 81. Now add all these, 2,50,000 plus 9,000 plus 81. 180925. So the answer is 22,59,081 is the answer. Now let's move on to the next question. It is 992 whole square. This can be written as 1000 minus 8 whole square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a? A is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 8. Now substitute it. 1000 square minus 2 into a is 1000 into b is 8 plus b square is 8 square. 1000 square is 10 lakhs. 3 zeros means we have to put 6 zeros, isn't it? Yes. So it is 10 lakhs minus 2 into 1000, 2000. 2000 into 8 is 16,000 plus 8 square is 64. Sorry. It is 8 square is 64. Isn't it? 8 square is 64. Now do that. Now what we have to do? We have to minus from 10 lakhs. Now I'll do the subtraction here. From 10 lakhs. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 6 zeros. We have to subtract 16,000, isn't it? Subtract it 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 6 is, this becomes 10, isn't it? 10 minus 6 is 4. This becomes 9, this becomes 9, this becomes 0. So 9 minus 1, 8. 9 as it is, isn't it? Now add 64 to this. Now add 64 to this. Okay, 4, 6, 0, 4, 8, 9. So it is, how many are there? 9 lakhs 84,064. This is the answer. Now 799 whole square. This can be written as 800 minus 9. Isn't it, students? We have learnt already. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. That's why I asked you people to learn the identities in your previous classes. Now what is a? A is equal to 800 and b is equal to 1. Now substitute it. A square 800 whole square minus 2 into what is a? 800 into b is 1 plus b square is 1 square. 800 square is 8 square is 64, 4 zeros, isn't it? So this becomes 6,40,000 minus 8 twos are 1600. 1600 into 1 is 1600 plus 1. So you have to do this again. 6,40,000 minus 1600. 0, 0, this is subtraction, okay. 0, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 1, 8, 4 becomes 3, plus 1, 1, 0, 4, 8, 3, 6. So this is equal to 63, 6,38,401 is the answer, okay. Next, coming to the next one, see here, this how can we write? So this is a different one. So this can be written as 300 plus 4 into 300 minus 4. So in which form it is? A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So what is a square? 300. A is 300 and b is 4. Now what is a square? 300 square is 9, 0000 minus 16. So 90,000 minus 16 is how much? 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. Now this becomes 9, this becomes 9 and this becomes 8. This is 89,984. Okay, now how can we write this? This can be written as 80 plus 3 into 80 minus 3. So 80 plus 3, this is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. A is equal to 80, b is equal to 3. Now substitute it, 80 whole square minus 3 square. So 80 square is 64,000 minus 9. So 6,400 minus 9. 10 minus 9, 1. 9, 3, 63,000, 6,391. So 6,400 minus 9 is 6,391. Okay, next, this is 100 plus 9 into 100 plus 8. Can we write like this? This is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus ab into x plus a into b. What is x? X equal to 100. What is a? 9. B is equal to 8. Now substitute it. 100, x square means 100 square. A is 9 plus 8 is 8. X is 100 plus A into B is 9 into 8. 100 square is 10,000. 0000 plus 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 into 100, 1700 plus 9 8s are 72. So 10,000 plus 1700 plus 72. 27711. So the answer is 11,772 is the answer. Now let's look into this. How can we write this? This is also the same way, 200 plus 4 into 200 plus 6. So this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now what is x? 200. What is a? 4. B is 6. Now substitute it, 200 whole square plus a is 4 plus 6 into 200 plus a into b is 6 into 4. 200 square is 40,000 plus 6 plus 4 10. 10 into 200 2000 plus 6 fours are 24. Now add all these. It becomes 42,024. Isn't it? This is the answer. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good day.